What's going on, everybody? I'm out here in a hailstorm. And you can see on my bike right here, you can see all this ice. Icy as hell out here. You can probably hear it too. See the smoke? That's the heat. Sliding my ass around. Sliding. You probably see the hail. This shit pointy as fuck, man. Real pointy. Look at this grill. Ice. This isn't rain, this is ice, this is hail. Oh no, I'm headed off to the store. Get back to y'all later. Peace out. What's up? Icy as hell out here. See all this ice falling? Hailstorm today. Hailstorm. Hailstorm today. What's up, man? What's going on, everybody? Still just coming back from the dollar store. See all the snow. Still hail falling. But fuck it. I'm home now. Cold day. Cold fucking day. One cold day, man. Cold as hell out here. All this ice.